We're going to use it to cut in a new hair system. And today's hair system I'm using is LaVivid's. And that's what I'm wearing now. This is the Eros model. It's 1B, which is one black with 50% gray. And it's a full poly unit. Okay, now that I've got it in there and I've got it pretty well centered up inside there, what I want to do is take my marker, draw a line where I'll be doing my cutting. None of this is, don't be afraid to do any of this, because this is stuff that we, that's we can all do. It's not like it's, it's just a bunch of little processes. So see how I'm going through here and I'm marking. All right, there we go. And I can pull that out and it shows me my line to where I need to cut for my system. See how I've used this towel to try to, kind of make a bowl as nice and flat as possible so you don't have any extra things you need to deal with. Start in the back, and what you probably want to do is, you want to cut to the line and then cut around. See where my line is there? So what you want to do is whenever you're cutting, you want to make sure that you pull that hair back. Any hair that's laying in front of that line is going to be cut. Well, like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up from the back. So I've cut that. Alright, I had to go back and get me some sharp scissors. You need some sharpest scissors you can find so you can make a nice clean cut. Okay, to get rid of the excess, that way you get less to worry about. And that's what it is, sometimes you have to adjust on the fly when you're doing these things, guys. What I'm doing is I went and I wetted down the system, added a little bit of conditioner to make it to where I could brush it, and then what I'm doing is I'm making sure that these hairs are pulled back, especially on the front hairline. I want to make sure that these hairs are pulled back whenever I make this cut. That way you won't have these little hairs hanging in the front. So I'm going to slowly just work my way around to where I can get that hair out of the way and I can see where I'm working, and that gives you a little bit more visibility on what you need to do. There you have it. You really have to take your time when you're doing this and make sure you do a good job, which is okay. I got a lot of it cut off. You can see it a little bit. I can probably rub it off. That's okay. So there we go. We have a new fresh cut system. I'll let you guys look at it. Like I said, I have not cut this in. This is just basically cutting the unit and putting it on. I have a little bit of, you can kind of see, up here, I've got to do some adjustments on the hairline. You can see that, and this is full disclosure, you can see what it's like to have a system, you can see where I've left that, I've got that line in from where I was trying to, for my marker, and what I'll do is I'll cut that out. But you can see on this side where I've cut it. This is going on 3 weeks, so that, it's lifting up, man. It's doing its stuff, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you how the hair system looks. This one has kind of a little body wave to it, but I love it. I think it looks great. Thank you guys so much for watching.